Hello everyone, welcome back for another video. Today we are applying the platinum glass coating from carboncollective to the front window. I have kept this product in hibernation because I already have this product for about 4 years right now, but I kept it quite safe. The cap was closed, and there are no pieces of coating or gloss into the product, so it should be fine, but we will see when we apply it. And if the results are still as good as on the first day I opened it, but normally all should be fine. The front window is very dirty, so we'll clean that first. I will show you guys how we do that. Okay guys, so the first step that I'm doing is taking my glass cleaner from Gion and spraying it over the windshield and mist it. And after that I take my waffle weave towel from Microfiber Madness and going all over it, of course. Flip the side. Okay guys, so the first little crack in the window is a fact, so I need to replace the whole window, but I'm still gonna coat it. It hurted me a lot because I love this car a lot, and to see a little crack as a car guy, never good. But it will be replaced in a few months, but I still wanted to coat it because bugs on the window, to remove them, it's a pain in the ass. So while I'm at it, I'm going to coat this window still, and then when the new one arrives, we will do everything all over again. So now we're going to clay the window to make sure that all the contaminants are off the glass with this little piece of blue clay. I will put you guys on the hood of the car, but on a microfiber towel, that the hood is safe of course, and I don't scratch anything. So let's go. So I'm just gonna shake it and spray it on, of course. I like Echo as a lube because it is pretty cheap, so why not? Also spray on the clay. And then just do quick motions. I also have some little pits over here on the windshield. Such a shame, that damage, but it is what it is. It will be replaced, so just wipe the Echo off with a microfiber towel. This is a microfiber towel from CarPro. Bought a bunch of them, like them a lot. And then let's do the other side, of course. So, and then the last step before we will apply the coating will be the CarPro Eraser. We'll just spray it on, wipe it off. Of course, it is to make sure that there are no oils or fingerprints or other stuff is on the paint, so that we have the perfect bond, of course, and that we make sure we are going over that 6 months of protection. So pretty important. It makes also a pretty good glass cleaner, so it comes in handy. So I'm going just spray it on there, not too much. It's already too much actually, and I'm just going to take it off with this microfiber towel. I don't have a waffle weave towel, so it will be this one. It's a little bit grabby at first, but then it will become slicker and will fade away, as you can see. So we are done with the CarPro Eraser step. The gloss is now fully prepped, so we're going to apply the coating now. So we are a different day now. I didn't manage to put the coating on yesterday because it was already late at night, so we are doing it today. So I'm going to apply it with the help of this applicator. I made 2 grooves at the side so the applicator sticks in it so it can't fall off, which is pretty handy. Then of course the carboncollective platinum gloss coating. It is the old bottle, not the new one. It's not a new formula, but the bottle has changed now in a couple of years. So just putting some drips on there. That should be enough. So that side is already done. So we're moving on to this side of the window, and then we're just going up and down. It smells a bit like alcohol, this coating. So just up and down, and then left to right to get an even coverage. It says to remove the coating within 2 minutes after applying. And then the coating, yeah, it is important to me because in the rain you will lose a lot of clarity when you're watching out of your window, and then the coating will help you with that because water can roll over a window. I had situations before when it was pouring down the rain, and yeah, I could drive without my wipers because the water repels pretty easily over it, so it will help you a lot. And of course it is mostly on higher speeds, but it will help you anyway. It will also make sure the window stays a lot cleaner when you don't clean it every week. So a lot of benefits to it, and it is pretty easy to apply. You can see where the coating is on the window, so I'm just taking my microfiber cloth and taking it all off. It comes off pretty easily. Make sure you pass everywhere, of course. Okay guys, so the coating is done now. The coating is now the new functional layer of the window. I'm going to show you the results after the end of the video, but if you want a really easy coating to apply, check out the platinum gloss coating because it is pretty easy. I had it before on the window and I had some good results with it, but I will show you the repellency after this clip. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao!